What is this po?
Indian mango.
Indian. This one is
Apple mango.
apple mango.
Yeah. 3 pieces 100.
Okay. Only one. So I bought this one. How much for this po?
Alamang is 10 pesos.
Thank you. So I got this. Oh, it's actually raining here in Pinondo. What's the English of Pinondo? Bubuyo, Pinondo. 35. It's raining. Mapa-English ate, no? We're gonna go back to get some of this. I love this. Can I have more coffee? Thank you. It's actually raining now, so I can't go. I can't leave. So we're gonna eat it here. Here na lang. Here inside my heart. What the hell are you doing here, sir? Can you move? Please, please, please. Sir, what the hell? Bala ka dyan.
What the hell?
Wait, we have to move. It didn't rain for the past few months. Now we're sitting inside, whoa, the mall. Like a Chinatown mall. Thank God they have seats here. Oh, so cute like me. Ayoko mag-English guys, tama na. Huwag na tayo magpanggap. 35 only. Then, for the, ba't nag-English ako? Doon sa bagoong, $10. Di ba ang dami na nito, no? I think may buto to eh. Yan, ito. Madami pa din, no? Pwede na. Sa Bacolod, 30 din yun, no? Basta yun, Indian mango yun. Ito, apple mango. If hindi nyo alam taste ng apple mango, it tastes like medyo apple, then mango. Nakapanood mo ito umaga, no? You can't have this. This is mine. Guys, I repeat if meron kayong alam na Airbnb sa Tagaytay or hotel, just message my line. Please. Kalimutan ko, may ganito pala ako. What you call this? $10. Bago. I don't like this. What the hell? Ito, dito tayo. Season ba naman ka ngayon? Umura ng all the 5 elements ng taste buds natin malalasahan na dito. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy. Yon, yung 5 elements. Ay, kulang pa. Yung cuteness ko. What the hell? Which is so good?